On today's podcast, we'll be talking about the importance of well-defined paths in factories and warehouses. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
In the bustling environments of factories and warehouses, where many tasks are performed simultaneously, the safety of workers and equipment becomes a top priority. One crucial aspect that plays a significant role in ensuring a safe and efficient working environment is the implementation of a well-defined pedestrian, machinery, inventory, and vehicle paths. These designated pathways enhance safety and contribute to these industrial spaces' overall productivity and smooth operation. Well-defined paths create a physical boundary that constantly reminds staff of the areas dedicated to foot traffic and vehicles, minimizing the potential for accidents and injuries. Efficiency is another crucial aspect of any industrial setting. By providing distinct paths, the flow of operations becomes streamlined. Staff can move freely without obstruction, allowing them to complete their tasks more efficiently. These paths also enable vehicle operators to navigate through the facility unimpeded, avoiding unnecessary stops or delays caused by pedestrians in their way. This organization not only aids workers in locating specific areas, but also facilitates the proper placement of machinery, equipment, and inventory. Additionally, it provides more orderly and structured environment, making it easier to identify potential hazards and implement effective safety measures. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next week, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.